Welcome to 442 Chalmers Lane. This lovely 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath Charleston style home with double covered front porches, laminate hardwood flooring throughout, downstairs, inside, as well as a detached garage with full bedroom and bathroom above. It's located in the Woodleighh Park section of the Lake Carolina neighborhood in Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to the Jeep Rogers YMCA, I-20, Fort Jackson, as well as Lake Carolina and Northeast Columbia amenities. So we're out front. You can see it's a Charleston style home in one of the sort of Charleston style communities in Lake Carolina. You have sidewalks going around the property and a walkway leading up to the covered front porch, which is sort of an L shape along the front inside of the house. You have a recessed entry here. There's a matching covered porch off of the master bedroom upstairs. This is, as you notice, there's no parking or driveway out front, and that is at the rear of the home, accessed via sort of an alley street, also where you enter your 2-car garage. So we'll step inside. So we're in a small foyer here. You have a nice sort of half wall with some crown molding on it, separating off the foyer entry. Nice lights or windows around the doorway as well. Notice the beautiful laminate hardwood flooring throughout the downstairs level of the home. There's a living room, as you can see here, with a ceiling fan, a large family room. At the front of the house, you have lots of windows on 3 sides, letting in a lot of natural light. And we'll just step to the other side just to give you a view from here. But it's an open layout home on the main level. The family room is open to the dining area, and there's also another eat-in dining area or breakfast area at the back near the kitchen as well. The kitchen itself has dark wood cabinets. You have darker countertops with stainless steel appliances. There is an included smooth top electric range, microwave, and dishwasher here as well. Refrigerator will most likely be installed before move-in, but please consult with the office for details on that. You also have a pantry in the kitchen, and you have some nice shelving space in there. Nice high ceilings throughout the main living area as well. And then again, you do have this nice breakfast area here with some windows, and that opens out to the covered back patio. We'll take a look out back quickly as well. So again, you have a nice sort of covered back patio or porch out here at the rear of the home, and then you can see the detached garage straight ahead. Concrete walkway leading to it. So you step right inside here, and then you have, as you can see, straight ahead the 2-car garage. You have separate doors. It's a nice size. There's sort of there you can see there's a vehicle parked in for scale, smaller mid-size SUV to give you an idea of size, and that does actually go back behind the wall there just a little bit for some more storage space. And then in addition, up here above the garage, you also have a full bedroom, and you have hardwood floors up here. So it's basically a bonus room size or style room with the pitch ceilings on both ends. You have some small attic access, I believe, via those 2 small doors. And you also have a full bathroom in here with a single vanity and a shower, as well as a walk-in closet on the other side. So a perfect fourth bedroom for the home for someone that needs a little bit more privacy or just some additional office space or however you'd like to use it. But that does count as the fourth bedroom in the bedroom count of the home. So stepping back outside, we'll cross back over to the main portion of the property, and a couple more things to look at downstairs before we head up to the bedroom level. So you also have a half bathroom downstairs. You have a commode and pedestal sink in here, but that's conveniently located, and also a coat closet tucked right at the bottom of the stairs. We'll go on upstairs. We have some windows in the stairwell for some natural light. It's all carpeted up here with the exception of the bathrooms, which have the same laminate or luxury vinyl plank flooring from downstairs. So the master suite is this way right off the landing to your right. As you can see, you have a full bathroom here with double sinks. That same flooring. You also do have a separate shower as well as a garden tub. And there's a linen closet in the back corner, and also you have a private commode, so there's a door that closes it off with this window, and even a view to the porch outside. Right across, have our walk-in closet, and then the master bedroom itself. You have a nice box ceiling fan, and again lots of natural light coming in here. And then you can see the porch sort of that wraps around right outside the windows. We will peek out there as well. So you can see nice size out here, and again that runs along the entire length of the house, as does the porch downstairs. And then also here in the hallway, that's a utility closet with a water heater. You have an attic pull down, and then 2 more bedrooms, as well as a full-size laundry room. Based on some of the connections in here, this may be set up for a gas vented dryer. Then you have the third full bathroom across the hall, single vanity and a shower and tub in here, and that same flooring. Another linen closet here, and then last but not least, you have 2 bedrooms at the rear of the home. Both of these have ceiling fans, pretty similar in size and layout, and then you have a closet against this wall. And the same thing over here. Ceiling fan and a closet against the wall on this side. So that completes our tour of this home, 442 Chalmers Lane in Northeast Columbia in Lake Carolina. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.